What's going on, guys? This is Andy from Cut and Clean, and I got to share a real quick story with you guys. What's going on, guys? Andy here with Cut and Clean Lawn Care, and I've had a couple requests to do a video with less production, no music. They want to hear the sounds of the mowers and the sounds of the weed whip and the sounds of the blower. So I'm going to make a quick video. I got to do my own lawn today, and we'll see how it turns out. Me, I'm more personally a fan of production, and I like music to watch the videos. That might be the difference between being a lawn care and someone just, or being a lawn care guy and someone who just likes watching the videos. When you're in the lawn care industry, you hear the sounds of the equipment all day long. So when you edit these videos, it's probably the last thing you want to hear. But I did get a couple comments, people saying, hey, I want to see a couple videos with just natural sounds, no music. So here you guys go, man. Keep on keeping on. that'll about do it. So hope you guys enjoy the video. No production really, no music, just raw and uncut, hardcore, cut and clean lawn care footage. So enjoy. Like always, comment, like, subscribe, and I'll pump out some more videos to you guys. So thanks for watching.